Hi, I'm Pamela from Content Clarity and welcome to my channel, which is all about helping you grow and scale your online business with ease. In this video, I want to show you how you can create a mock-up for any ebooks. Maybe you're created a freebie to grow your email list and you want to know how you can create a mock-up for that. Use it in your social media. I'm going to show you how you can do this within Canva. So let me flip over to my screen now and show you step by step how you can do that for yourself. So this is the ebook mockup that I'm going to show you how you can recreate inside Canva. Now Canva themselves do have some smart mockups you can use, but as it currently stands when I'm recording this video, they don't have one that looks like this. And this is something that I like to put together for, ebooks, courses that I've made. And as it stands, like I say, Canva just doesn't have those ones quite just yet. So I like to just make them manually. And it's not that difficult. This is something that you can do obviously in Photoshop or InDesign, things like that. But you can also do it inside Canva really, really easily. So let me just show you how. First off, I'm just going to add a blank page here so we can do this. Now, what you're going to want to do is if you have created your ebook inside Canva, I want you to go and export it now into JPEGs. Each page that you intend to use, obviously you don't have to use every single page of the ebook, and then you're going to go and upload these and then add these to your canvas. So let me just put 3 on each side and we'll find the front cover. So here we go. Now, as you can see, it looks a bit flat, right? It just looks really, really flat. So we're going to add a drop shadow to it. So if we go and select it and then go into effects, and you can see here the smart mockups that I was talking about, we can go down to the bottom here. I've got shadows and you can go and see all of the different ones that you can use. In this one, I'm going to show you the drop shadow. So already you can see that that is looking far more alive. It's not as flat as it once was. Once you've added the drop shadow, you can change positions and all that kind of stuff. You can change colors. If I just show you this one, for example, if we go into effects for this one and add a drop shadow to it and go into it, again, you can see that you can change where the shadow is. So you can move that around. I think it's bottom right that we are. Obviously keep them the same on all of them because, light shines from one direction. Again, you can change the angle, so you can move it around. You can change the color. You can change the transparency. Again, offset, which again just makes it look a little bit more prominent. Again, I just keep them the same on all of them. You can change the color. Shadows traditionally are black, so that's fine. Apply. Now, I'm just going to quickly position these. I'm going to just quickly go through them all and add a drop shadow to all of the pages, and then I'll show you moving them into position. So now it's just a case of sort of changing the order of these and getting them in the right order. So again, play around with the position of them, and then of course you can move them backwards. Just keep clicking backwards. Again, there's a shortcut there if you want to use the keyboard shortcut, but just so you can see what I'm actually doing, and I'll do this. So again, just move them all backwards. Once you've done that, you can obviously tweak the positioning of them just a little bit. So we'll just get them right to the very back. So there we go. So now we've got them sort of in the right order, and now it's just a case of positioning them in a way. The whole idea with the ebook mockup is so that people get an idea that it's packed, that it's jam-packed full of value, that they're going to get a lot. Maybe it's a low value product you've created, so you want to make sure that people can see that they're going to get lots of value for their money. Maybe it's a free download and you kind of want to show them what's in it, especially if there's like worksheets and things as well. It kind of helps people to see what's in it rather than just the cover. So again, you want it to look nice and full. You're not necessarily seeing the content itself, but it just gives that impression that there is lots going on there, that it's kind of jam-packed with things. So again, if we just change around positioning. So that's pretty close. I'm sure you'll agree that's pretty close to that one. So there you go. That is how you can create that. Now let me show you what you can then do with this. What you can then do is download this as a PNG file, click the transparent background so that we don't take the color, and then we can just download it. So I'm just going to download page 3. Once you've downloaded it as a PNG, you can then upload it back into your media and Canva. And again, you can now drag this and add it to any social media graphics that you're creating to promote your freebie. So again, it just makes it that bit easier. And there you go. It looks so much more better than just a flat one. We've got the shadow there now. People can see lots going on. It's going to be stuffed with value. They're going to get loads of hashtags there. So there we have it. Go and have a go. So there you have it. That is how you can create a mock-up for your ebooks. Go and have a go with that inside Canva. If you've enjoyed watching this, do make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on running your online business. Thanks for watching.